Hi, I'm Nona from Nona Lim. You might recognize us from our fan favorite products like our bone broths and noodle bowls. For the past 6 years, we've reached millions of homes across the country through the fresh food aisles of Whole Foods and more. Today, I'm so excited to bring you a lineup of new products: our Pad Thai Stir Fry Kit and our Teriyaki Ramen Stir Fry Kit.
Hi, I'm Emily, and today I'm going to show you why the Nona Lim stir-fry kits are so versatile and how to cook them. Each kit comes with noodles and sauce. It's super simple. Microwave the noodles until they're warm. Choose whatever protein you'd like, cook it up, add some fresh vegetables of your choice, add in the noodles and the sauce, stir-fry it all together, serve it up and garnish however you'd like. In 15 minutes or less, dinner is served. Each kit comes with noodles and sauce for two, which are the key elements that make it taste authentic without having to have all the Asian pantry ingredients on hand. All clean ingredients, no preservatives or additives. These sauces bring you that magical balance of sweet, savory, umami that you find in Thailand, Japan, and beyond. From there, it's completely customizable with the fresh veggies and proteins of your choice. There's no other kit like this on the market.
That is so good.
These rice noodles are made by a third-generation family-owned business in Singapore, my homeland, and they are made with rice that has been aged for a year to achieve the perfect texture. Stir-frying at home can be a lot of work because you need so many different ingredients. As a mom, I crave these flavors, but I just have so little time to cook them. With the world now cooking at home way more, we've created these kits to make meal times fast, delicious, and easy, all in one box. It took 2 years and dozens of taste tests to get everything just right, and now these kits are finally ready to go. By backing this campaign today, you will be the first to taste this new lineup of products at a price we'll never offer again and taste the difference for yourself. These stir-fry kits are quicker and more cost-effective than even takeout. But best of all, they are nourishing for you and those gathered around your table.